Welcome to Uttam's lecture. In lecture 3, we discussed up till animal kingdom. Now we are going to see two common phylums along with their classes. The first phylum that we are going to discuss is phylum Vertebrates and the second phylum is Arthropods. These phylums are further subdivided into classes. The first class that is present in vertebrates is class fish, then amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Similarly, in arthropods, we are going to discuss crustaceans, arachnids, insects, and myropods. The most common feature in phylum vertebrates is that they contain a backbone. Backbone is a rod-like structure that moves through the body and keeps them maintain their structure. The first class in phylum Vertebrates is class fish. Fish contain scales all over their body which help them to maintain their structure along with protect them from dehydration and drying in watery conditions. They have fins that allow them to move to different positions and allow them to maintain balance. Along with having eyes, one of the most commonest features of fish is they can reproduce only in water. One of the characteristics of fish is external fertilization, that is, eggs are laid by female in water. After some time, male releases the sperm in these eggs. The sperms are able to fertilize these eggs and new babies are produced. Fish are ectotherms, which means they can't maintain their body temperature and they turn according to the environment. That is, if they are present in very cold water, they won't need to regulate their body heat and turn themselves colder. Similarly, they can adapt in different environments. For gaseous exchange, fish have a specialized organ known as gills. Gills are important because they can exchange water and take oxygen from the water and remove carbon dioxide and waste product in water. The next class that we are going to discuss is class amphibians. Amphibians always lay their egg in water, but as we have discussed in fish, external fertilization is present in amphibians. That is, they lay egg in water, which are fertilized and give birth to young ones in water. As compared to fish, they have a properly developed skin, but the skin is very moist and slippery. These organisms contain four limbs, that is, they have two hands along with two legs that help them to move on earth. They have dual type of life, that is, they can live in water or they can move in earth on earth. Eyes and ears are also a characteristic of amphibians, that is, they have very developed type of organ for relocating and seeing objects and maintaining balance. These organisms are again ectothermic, that is, they do not regulate their body temperature. As compared to fish, these animals or organisms contain lungs which help them to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide with the environment. Along with the lungs, skin also participate within the exchange of oxygen. That is all for this lecture. Hope to see you in lecture 5.